Welcome to New York City. A place where we're going to travel, learn, and talk in English. So you could learn English in a comprehensible input way, which has been proven to be 4 times more effective than a classic, no fun way they teach you in the school. All right, let's get started. That's her, right there. I did get it right. She's coming right there. Tika, so you exist. You're a real person. You're not a bot. Oh my goodness, nice to meet you. All right, let me get you a microphone. Today, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to travel, talk, probably eat Georgian food.
Yes.
And show these folks New York City. All right, are you ready?
Let's do it. Yeah.
Let's kick it off. First of all, what are we going to see here?
We are pretty much in the heart of the city, like where there's
Little louder.
like the Manhattan.
Yeah.
So it's like cities like built with a lot of concrete and glass, and then
That's the city that never sleeps. It's
Yeah,
so
that's
loud
the
here. We got
city.
so many
It is.
people. What's up,
It
bro?
is,
Good to see you
actually.
guys. We are on.
Central
we're in the Central Park
right now. Yes,
right?
yes, we are entering Central Park right now,
Excellent.
and then we're gonna cross the Central Park to get to the what do you call that thing? That's
Oh, the railway.
Yeah,
The
railway.
railway. You're gonna
honestly, I've
love
never
it.
been there.
Me neither. We're gonna check it out
So
soon.
good.
Anyways,
And then we're gonna go to the
oops, excuse me. There's so many things happening simultaneously. Literally, these people are going with the kids. This guy is taking off on his
that's
bike.
very chaotic, like very.
So many people
diverse and,
are
like,
walking around, running around. This
Yeah, it
is a
is.
New York City.
It is. So it's
While
always-
we're walking around, do you want to tell these people who are you? And where are you from?
Well, I'm Tika. I'm from Georgia.
Georgia country, not a state,
Country,
right?
Georgia, yeah, not a state. Because several times I was told here, like, you don't sound like Georgia. Like,
You don't sound like Georgia. I was
You
born
don't know. I sound exactly like Georgia. Because honestly, I like my accent. I'm
Yeah.
not, yeah. I mean, I'm improving my English for sure.
One of the things about New York City, no one cares about the lights.
Yeah, that's
Even if
that's
the
for
light is
sure.
red, people still walk. And I kind of like it. Think about it logically. We have no cars on the road and there's a red light. Why the heck would you stay or sit and wait, right?
Yeah, that's sure, because there is actually places that you won't be able to cross it, because even foot traffic is so big that you
Yeah.
might not even make it on the first one.
People are recording squirrel. There's a
Yeah,
squirrel right there.
squirrels are very, I don't know how to say.
Homies in
Yeah,
New York
exactly.
City.
Like
It's their
once,
home, it's not our
Once
home.
they actually came and grabbed the apple that I was giving, the little pieces.
Yeah.
So they could not even wait for me.
Why New York City? Why do people select New York City? Why do you live in New York City? Not in Los Angeles, not in San Francisco, not in Miami or Atlanta, Georgia,
Well,
or in Europe.
I personally came here because I had family. I mean, I won green card and then just, moved here. And now, I don't know, New York has this energy, like no matter where you go and live after living here, you always want to come back. It's,
Yeah.
very tiring, like you get tired and just, but I don't think I can say that there is any state that I would love to live. I would love to travel and stay for some time, but for living, I think New York is the best.
Interesting. So vibe itself, right? This guy plays basketball. And honestly speaking, I don't know the rest.
Yeah. I don't think anybody else knows about.
You let me know in the comment below if you know any one of those folks except James LeBron. So, because of the vibe, because a lot of people. Why do you need a lot of people? Do you just like to have people around, right?
I think I like this diversity, like
Yeah.
the
Look
lot
at
of
the
changes and
Diversity, right
yeah,
there.
like very, very interesting. And then it's very fast-paced. It can be a little bit overwhelming, but this is
Diversity.
pretty much like whatever happens here, then everything it happens everywhere else.
Yeah.
This is how I look.
If the COVID happens
See,
here, you'll happen everywhere else.
Yeah, like it's kind of. I mean, except Japan, probably. Japan is like kind
Yeah.
of a little bit farther. I know it's
We got a green light, but now
yeah.
they don't care. We
And
care.
look at that.
It is our turn, but they don't.
Nobody cares.
So pretty much nobody cares about the
Yeah.
lights in New York City.
And then
If you
there's
gotta go,
actually
you gotta go.
smell the horses. Yeah, they're
I can smell poop. Can you smell poop?
Oh my
Probably
goodness.
can't. Unless
Yeah.
you're in New York City in a Central Park.
It is.
Nice.
City.
Can you please hold it? Yeah,
Yes,
it's a poop
please.
city. Meanwhile, I'm going to take my jacket off.
Yeah, you should, because it's a little.
It's getting hot, especially with this poop smell. Awesome. I'm gonna grab that camera and we're gonna continue the trip.
Do you always record like every step of your stuff?
Not every step of mine, only when we're recording for Sergii Speaks YouTube channel. And later on, my video editor, he's an amazing vegan guy from Ukraine who told me I should not eat any meat on a camera if I want to keep him doing this amazing job.
That's great.
Are you also vegan?
I don't eat meat, but you know I'm vegetarian.
Nice.
So like,
What is the difference between vegan and vegetarian?
well, you know, I don't really follow by the books, but I don't eat meat because you know animal like I don't know, it's like very
Our friends.
close to our close to our not only like being friends and very smart and very cute, like their body is like similar than us.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really makes me feel good. And difference probably is like, you know, kind of vegetarian people still eating like dairy products like egg.
Eggs, milk,
Yeah.
yogurts.
I honestly don't really want to do that because, you know, I don't want to be part of suffering animals.
Yeah.
Even though, you know, it's just an egg, but
Yeah.
still chickens are,
Interesting.
you know.
Are you guys vegans or vegetarians or you meat? Let us know in the comments below. I wonder how many people are actually vegans and vegetarians.
Or when you're going to become vegan.
Or when are you becoming vegan? All right, let's move forward.
Move forward.
You know what I really like about New York City? There are a lot of beautiful people here, and you can see every single person around me. And when I recently came back from Europe and I landed in Los Angeles, I've stepped out of airplane and I was shocked. I was like, why are people so not, let's be very diplomatic and say not nice, not nicely dressed up. Why am I not having pleasure by watching people as I did in Europe? And when I came to New York City, I realized, oh, being fancy, dressing up, looking nice is a part of the fashion, is a part of the trend in New York City. In LA, in California, generally speaking, it's a different culture. People don't really care most of the time how they look. So they usually don't dress up.
I see, even like just for a walk.
Yeah.
Honestly, every time I take a walk with the friends, they are like, "Tik, are you going to the park or to the rave?" Because, you know, it's just really not really even about city. It's like personality, I think.
Exactly.
And then just, you know, when you walk around the people that are like showing their personality, like, you know, dressing up nicely or, you know, looking very good.
Yeah.
You kind of want to be part of it. So it's, yeah, that's very good culture, I would say.
Exactly.
For New
Like
York, yeah.
that lady right there. She's running in a good-looking shoes. She got a scarf right there in her chest.
Like
She looks
nothing fancy, you know, but like very, very cool.
Stylish.
And like very stylish.
That's
yeah,
the word.
exactly.
New
Yeah,
York,
exactly.
New York is a stylish place.
It is. So this is the first time you've been here in New York? Or?
I've been in New York before.
Okay.
I've been to Central Park once, but I've heard in New York they have more dogs than children.
Yeah, definitely around the park area, there is a lot of,
Yeah.
you know, dogs. Especially, I live close to Prospect Park and I'm like 6, 7 a.m. You know, it's like a dog park pretty much, because if you walk that time, like there is so many different type of dogs. Like that, like you can say like, you know, different personality they have. Like it's really cool and amazing. Like I've never seen so many different breeds and just, you know, sizes of the dogs.
What does that sweat look like?
Oh my goodness, that's a cloud.
It's a cloud. It looks
is
like
cloud.
a beautiful cloud.
I think actually we're getting close to the Apple that and then
Apple
very
Store?
noisy. Yeah, it should be.
A friend of mine asked
think-
me to buy an iPhone for him because I'm flying to Poland tonight.
Oh, okay.
Can
so
we
maybe
stop
that's
by and see if they have one?
Sure. That's like a glass.
I'm a good friend. I can buy an iPhone for the guy.
That's that's very good. I think. Do you want me to carry this for you?
I'm good. Or
got
unless you
it.
have space. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you. Talking about nice people and being
And you
kind.
always bring with a big bag, because you know, and then like a lot of stuff, because New York weather cannot be trusted. Like once when I moved here, my sister told me, Tika, when it's rain, it doesn't rain from the sky. It also rains from the ground.
There's a cat on a bike right there. Look at this cat. Oh my gosh, look at this cat. Woo! Did you see that?
Oh my goodness. That's like really,
love
oh my God.
I'm going to attach a picture of the guy with the pig in Los Angeles. Literally the guy with this size of the pig. Not a tiny one, but like real porco.
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
What's happening?
They're having a lot of fun. This
Yeah,
city is
yeah.
quite crazy.
It is.
They're giving high
They're
fives to
on a
everyone.
mission.
Look at that.
Probably it's
High
like a
fives
task
to
to
everyone.
socialize.
It must be a social experiment. How many high fives can each of them get per
yeah,
day?
it could be. That's like, you never know.
Yeah, a lot of people put comments on YouTube and ask me, hey, you look so energetic. Where do you take your energy from? The thing is, you gotta eat red beets every single night. Boiled red beets for your dinner. And you should not drink any water after 6 o'clock. And you should not eat any carbs, only protein and veggies after 6 p.m. That's it. Well, probably also you gotta run since you were a kid for 2 to 3 miles every other day. You gotta do 100 push-ups, 100 squats every other morning. And that's it, nothing else.
I think you're also like circulating, you know, like whatever you give kind of comes back.
Exactly.
That's something you are receiving as a like, you know, food, internal like energy.
Yeah.
But like when you actually like trying to do something and then you achieve, it
So
gives you a
true.
lot of
Yeah, so
energy.
true.
Right there, look.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
It's
Do they have a
beautiful
store
seats.
here or is it just a glass?
No, it's a store. It's like underground.
Oh.
It's a very big store.
I've never been
can-
here. I think I just
Yeah.
passed by before. Let's go through stairs so we
Yeah,
could shake
sure.
our bodies a little bit. All right, let's get into it. Pardon me, young lady. We're gonna pass by. Ooh, that's beautiful. I want you guys to see the way we're walking. That's what we're seeing. Bounce, bounce, bounce. By the way, that's us right there. Those beautiful people.
Wow. If I take eye from the stairs, I can like fall. It's so.
Yeah. My friend in Poland will be super happy if they have that
The
iPhone
phone from New York. Like
17, yeah, 17 Pro Max, I believe, 1 terabyte. Let me see if they have it, and if they're okay with me recording this video right here. Hey, quick question. Absolutely. Should I turn it off, or is it okay if I record
No, it's
myself?
okay. It's just me. Yeah,
Absolutely, you
but
got
for
it.
you, totally, absolutely record yourself as much as you want.
Perfect. Quick question. Do you guys have iPhone 17 for sale, unlocked ones here?
Yeah, absolutely. Head over to the table right next to the middle column, and they'll get you with the team member right over there.
Awesome. Which column? That one right there.
That column right there. That last
Perfect.
middle column.
Thank you.
No worries,
Appreciate it. Someone's getting a new iPhone today.
17.
You got direction?
Yeah. So go to this column. By the way, this is a column. It's called a column. It's a piece of concrete that partially holds building. Hi there. Quick question. Can I get an iPhone 17 Pro Max? Unlocked version.
Wait, am I on the recording? My phone?
No. I can turn it off.
Please, yeah, turn it off.
Good.
Okay, I'll be back with an iPhone. Oh, the railway.
Yeah, right.
The railway. You're
Honestly,
gonna
I've
love
never
it.
been.
These people are going with the kids. This guy is taking off on his
Yeah,
bike.
that's very chaotic, like very
So many people
diverse
are
and-
walking around, running around. This
Yeah, it
is
is.
a New York city.
I'm from Georgia.
Georgia country, not a state,
Country,
right?
Georgia, yeah, not a state. because several times I was told here, like, you don't sound like Georgia. Like,
You don't sound like Georgia. I was
you
born
don't
here.
know.
One of the things about New York City, no one cares about the lights.
Yeah, that's
Even if
that's
the
for
light
sure.
is red, people still walk. People are recording squirrel. There's a squirrel right there.
Squirrels are very, no matter where you go and live after living here, you always want to come back. I think I like this diversity, you know, like
Yeah.
the
Look
lot
at
of
the
changes and you know,
Diversity right
yeah,
there.
like yeah, there
I
are.
can smell poop. Can you smell poop?
Oh my
Probably
goodness.
can't. Meanwhile, I'm going to take my jacket off.
Yeah, you should, because it's a little.
It's getting hot, especially with this poop smell. My video editor, he's an amazing vegan guy from Ukraine who told me I should not eat any meat on a camera. Are you also
Because
vegan?
I don't eat meat, but you know, I'm vegetarian.
And I landed in Los Angeles. I've stepped out of airplane and I was shocked. Let's be very diplomatic and say not nice, not nicely dressed up. Why am I not having pleasure? That lady right there, she's running in a good-looking shoes. She got a scarf right there in her
Yeah.
chest.
Like
She looks
nothing fancy, you know, but like very, very cool.
Stylish.
And like very stylish.
That's the
yeah,
word.
exactly. That's a cloud.
It's a cloud. It looks
is
like a
cool.
beautiful cloud. A friend of mine asked
think-
me to buy an iPhone for him because I'm flying to Poland tonight.
Oh, do you want me to carry this for you?
I'm good. Or
got
unless you
it.
have space. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
Because New York weather cannot be trusted.
Exactly.
Like once when I moved here, my sister told me, Tika, when it's rain, it doesn't rain from the sky. It also rains from the ground.
They're giving high fives
They're
to
on a
everyone.
mission.
Look at that.
Probably it's
High
like a
fives
task
to
to
everyone.
socialize.
You look so energetic. Where do you take your energy from? The thing is, you gotta eat red beets every single night. Boiled red beets for your dinner, and you should not eat any carbs, only protein and veggies. Do they have a
beautiful
store
seeds.
here, or is it just a glass?
No, it's a store. It's like underground.
Oh.
It's a very big store.
I want you guys to see the way we're walking. That's what we're seeing.
If I take eye from the stairs, I can like fall. It's
Yeah.
so.
Let me see if they have it. And if they're okay with me recording this video right here. Do you guys have iPhone 17 for sale? Unlocked ones here.
Yeah, absolutely. Head over to the table right next to the middle column.
You got direction?
Yeah. So go to this column. By the way, this is a column. It's called a column.